From now on, this outdoor sink is a must-bring piece to all my camping trips. In the past, that is how we clean our vegetables and doing dishes. Now is a time for a better change. The inspiration of this design came from the keyboard stand. It's so compact and easy to make. I like to recycle what I have. I happen to have a 4 feet long 2x2 piece of wood. I make 2 cuts at the center of each piece of wood. I don't have many tools. I only have a chisel, which is good enough for this project. This is how I will lock the legs together. I have to figure out the spacing of the pair of the crossed legs, and it is approximately 13 inches apart. It turned out pretty good. Better than I have expected. It isn't really that heavy, so this 2 pieces of wood, or thin one, is good enough to support it. I recycled the coroplast I have and made a small deck. This turned out to be a very good decision because it provides extra countertop space, as you can see here in this field test. The assembly is simple and easy. It roughly took me about 2.5 minutes to set it up. The disassembly is equally fast and easy. When folded, the frame is small, compact, and light. The stand weighs about 8 pounds. This is a closer look of the frames. By design, these 2 sections cannot be separated. The last step is to make a pump to feed water to both sinks. I measured the dimensions of the base of the pump and then used coroplast to make a cylinder. Then I use heat to fuse this cylinder onto another strip of coroplast. Heat fusion is much stronger than using tape or glue. People really like this outdoor sink, and I did receive some very good feedback, which I will include in my future revision. One of which is adding a grey water bucket to collect the dirty water. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like, or better, support me by subscribing to my channel. Really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.